Hello and welcome to the new session of Data Science for Beginners. So today I am going to discuss the Python data structures, that is set. So what is set? Let's understand. A Python set is a collection of unordered items. Each element in the set must be unique, immutable, or the set will remove the duplicates. Sets are mutable, means they can be edited after they have been created. It does not follow the indexing, so fetching specific item is not possible. We can only print the list of the elements in the set by looping through set. So what it does mean, I'll just explain with examples. We have created a set X. Now it is denoted by curly brackets 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. X. This is the set. Now if I define Y, a new set 33, 66, 77, 88, 99. What is Y? Now if I ask, what is the type of X? Set. Type of Y? Set. If we want to check, now we write X equals to 22, 33, 44, 44, 45, 66, 22. Now this is the new set I've defined. But again, it has removed this 22 and so what this has done, it has removed the duplicates. 44 was 2 times, it has written it as 1. Okay, 22 was 22 times, it has written it as 1. So there will be unique elements. We cannot call by indexing. Let's try X4. Set object is not subscriptable, means there is no indexing, so we cannot call the items of the set. Now let's see how do we updating sets. Is there any updation possible? Yes, there is. Let's make a new set. Days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is, let's call what is this sets? Days. Days, add Sunday. Add Sunday to these days as well. I'm saying this to system days. It is added, but there is no indexing, so in set, so it will add randomly. There is no indexing, it can add anywhere. If I want to add days, add again Saturday, and I say show me the days updated. It is again Saturday. Anywhere it can add it up, there's no surety. If I say days dot pop, can it has removed pop Wednesday from the last. So there is no indexing. It's not important that the pop function will remove the element from the last. It can remove from anywhere. Again, I'm saying it has removed the last one. Let's see, does this Thursday. Thursday was not last in this list, but it still has removed it. Stick, understand with. I'll explain this again. Just a minute. days pop. I pop function I used, it has removed Saturday. Saturday is not in the last. Set does not follow the pattern of indexing, so it can remove any element item from the set. Again, now it is removing Sunday, random. Same days dot clear, if I say, it will just remove all the elements from the set. And I say what are in days? Empty set. So that's all for set. So basically, set is a kind of list in which there are no duplicate items available. If we want to create a set or a collection of values in which we don't need any kind of duplicacy, in that case, we are going to use set in further Python programming.